Hello from the Mac Corner. I have quite a few computers to show you today, so let's get started. Starting off strong, we have this 21-inch 2017 iMac here. It's got the 4K display on there with an i5 quad core, 8 gigabytes of memory, 2 gigabyte GPU, and a terabyte of storage. It's a wonderful machine. It'll do basically anything you need. It's gonna run real quick with this gorgeous screen on there. If you're looking for something a little more mid-range, we have a 2015 4K here, also an i5 quad core with 8 gigabytes of memory. And while it doesn't have the 2 gigabyte GPU in there, it still has the terabyte of storage. So this is going to be really good if you still want a nice display, but you don't need, graphic editing capabilities, photo editing, video editing, that sort of stuff. And for something that might be a little bit better for school needs, we have another 2015 here. This one's got an i5 in there, 8 gigabytes of storage, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 500 gigabytes of storage, no graphics card, just the standard resolution screen, but it's a good computer to get off the ground with. It's not that it's a bad looking display at all. These ones are just particularly nice. If you're looking for something a little more portable, possibly for school needs, we have quite a few Macbooks here. We have some really nice 15-inch Macbooks here. These are the 2018s. They have an i7 6-core processor in there. You heard that right. 16 gigabytes of memory and a terabyte of storage. We have two of them, so they come in different colors, whether you prefer the classic aluminum silver or the newer space gray. And if you're looking for something a little, maybe more budget friendly, a little more portable in size, not quite the same screen size, we have the 13-inch down here. This one's got an i5 quad core. It's a 2019, so it's really recent. 16 gigabytes of memory, and it has 500 gigabytes of storage. Got a few variations here. These ones are 2018s. They got the i7 quad core, 16 gigabytes of memory, 256 gigs of storage. Should have said this one on the right's going for $12.99. That's the 2019. These 2018s are going for $10.99. And again, if you're looking for something that might be a better computer, start off with a good school computer, especially for those in grade school. This one is the 2015. It's got an i5 processor in there, 8 gigabytes of memory, and 500 gigabytes of flash storage. So it still has quick storage and plenty of storage for whatever your needs are. Maybe it's the first time getting a Mac though, or someone's who's still new to owning a laptop, and you might want to grab one of the ones down here. These are 2013s on the right and 2012s. They're going for as low as $399. They still run up-to-date operating systems that'll support any application needs. They have plenty of storage, at least 250 gigabytes on these ones here, 8 gigabytes of RAM. Like I said, they're going for $399. They're great deals. They're gonna get the job done for what you need. All the computers I just showed you, and even the ones I didn't quite mention, all those have a 1-year warranty that covers anything besides physical and liquid damage. So it's our guarantee to you that they're gonna serve you for a good amount of time and really treat you right. And if you have any needs with, wondering if it's a little too expensive or hold off a little bit, we do have some financing options here. They don't require a hard credit check, so you can apply, no issues, see if you get approved, and they offer 3 months of 0% APR, so no interest or anything on that. Makes it really easy to pay these off, especially in time for the new school year, which is probably more around the corner than most of us realize, but it's coming up. So hope to see you here.